Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. This is Ali. I have international truck LT625 Cummins engine X15, the year 2018. I'm gonna do a pressure test for my radiator, because if you look, I have this problem like it's been a month now, but I don't drive much. Like I took a load to Seattle and back home, and the hills, when I go on a hill, I don't have any, this is what happens, spreads coolant everywhere. I don't have any heat. My engine is not heated, or it's not overheat or anything, but the coolant spreads out. So before you go ahead and you do anything that go to the big components, it's best to do a pressure test for your radiator. So let's do that together, and I hope this video helps a lot of people. I am not mechanic or anything. I am a DIY truck driver, owner, operator. I like taking care of my stuff. I like learning stuff, and I like teaching others whatever I know. So hope this video helps, like other people helps us. Thank you everyone there who is doing this kind of video. So let's do a test. Before that, believe me or not, I stopped at truck stop at Idaho, North Idaho, on I-80, and I parked at Love's over there before you get to Washington State. I was talking to one truck driver, and he told me, "Hey man, you have a problem. It's your head." That's what he said. I just ignored him and walked by. I said, "Oh yeah, I didn't say anything else." But yeah, don't listen. Always double check. Don't listen to someone don't know anything or you don't know him. Okay, it's better to ask the experienced people. That's my experience. You're gonna get in trouble if you listen to them. You're gonna pay a lot of money, and at the end, it's not the issue that you have. It's not gonna solve the issue that you have. Anyways, let me show you the kit that I bought from Harbor Freight. Kind of opened it. It's really new. I just opened it. I bought it from Harbor Freight. It comes with the 4 caps. It comes with the pump. So, and I figured out this is the right exact fit for my tank, and those all for different tanks, which is good. And that's the reservoir, that's the cap. Before everything, if your truck is hot, safety first. Wear your goggles, wear your gloves. Okay, my truck is not cold. It's been parked here in my home for 4 days. I'm fixing to leave out now. So if it's hot, you really need to be careful and release that cap. Open that cap really, really slow. Let the pressure goes out. So be careful, wear gloves, wear goggles. My truck is, like I said, it's cold, but same time, safety first, just open it slow, really slow. Let the pressure go out. Take the cap. Most of the time, they put on the caps the PSI that you reservoir to do the test. You see TVS 15 PSI. So my reservoir, it takes 15 PSI to do the test. So let's put this cap up. Tight it there. Let's get the pump. This is the pump and this is the cap. Sit you here. That's the gauge. That's how you know how much air psi you got in your reservoir. This video really, I decided to make it in a hurry, so yeah, let's do that. Just put the cap. Sunny today here, Mississippi. It's hot. Now make sure you get it right, tight it till you. That's it. And then you pump. Keep pumping 10-15 psi. It's not 4 psi yet. Keep pumping this bad boy here. All right, we are on 15 psi, and now just set it here somewhere and wait. Give it some time, like 3 minutes they say, but you can wait longer. And check and inspect your truck. See, check all the hoses, coolant hoses, check all the clamps, check everything. Hopefully we find the leak. And that's how you do the pressure test. And whenever you want to release the air, just turn that knob and it will release all the air. But I need the air in there so I can check. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I wish to everyone to have a peaceful day and blessed one. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. Thank you very much and have a good one.